Oh, Father Lord. I hope all you know whatever happened in this vlog, all you asked for it, right? All you asked for it. This barber shop here open or what? I asked for 350 likes. I just said 350 likes on Ellie so I get to cut my hair. But it seems like all you want that to happen so bad that the video now have 600 likes. Ellie, you ready for this?
You ready for this?
I should really be asking myself if I'm ready for this. I'm not. I don't know what I'm doing. What I get myself into. Alright, so I just really want to know what you think gonna happen. What's gonna come out of this video? Where's the end result? When we done and we say thanks for watching, what's going to be the case?
Fire.
Right.
You're not gonna be able to like comprehend, dog.
So I'm gonna be looking fresh after this video.
Fresh on, dog. Listen, wait, Ollie really don't think I could do this?
No! I have no hope! I have zero hope! I really just care for the sides. I don't really care for the top too much. I just want the sides clean, right? So that's the before, right? Have we got us going?
Sort you out so hard. Your hair's supposed to be wet.
Not the sides? Is that side?
No, it's his hair.
No, that's only if you're cutting the top and
Yeah, I don't work on it.
You're already off to a horrible start!
Wait, where are my tools?
You is the barber!
Where the tools for real?
How am I supposed to know where the tools is? What you say? Don't even know how to find a number 4?
No, I could find it.
Ah!
Excited. How to get precise, so I have to do this.
Why are you asking me? I thought you was a professional. Regine, I commend your bravery. Yeah, brother.
I don't really appreciate the lack of confidence, huh?
I mean, we're in quarantine. If you're
why your face like that?
I mean, I'll just put on a hat or something and I'll be good. Ow! Why you still calling out to clip that properly?
Now listen, he wants all level. So, this gonna make it easy.
Oh, you don't even know to put it on. Oh my god. Right. It starts. You can't go back now.
Right, so you want all level, right?
All level, yeah.
Why are you laughing at me so much?
Don't forget when they come here, you have to go down, eh? You're not cutting over here.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Better?
Don't be suspicious. See? I don't even have to watch.
She not even watching what she doing, dog.
Wait. I'm taking it seriously.
It's not really taking it serious.
Are going good so far then?
Yeah. I mean, it's already how much you can F up right now.
So you see that's the line there. Looking real good. You're looking really good.
Anybody can tell me if I'm looking good or not?
Yes, look. It at least it's even, right?
How far you just go with the back? I don't know. How I gonna know? I don't cut
find it going real far now, boy.
No, let's fix it.
Maybe I should go the sides first. Oh well. But if it's that cut, right? Then it could be uneven. Let me see what's going on here now. Right. Good. It's better to go around or go up.
Maybe around.
You don't worry. You don't know about us.
You're practically looking more than it. I'm just letting you know.
What do you think? I might have to go back in with a 1.
Whoa! So it starts. Right?
But I ask you.
Who does do that?
I don't know. I don't
Well,
know
she messed it up. She messed it up. Look at this. Who does go all the way up here?
Wait, it could fix?
No.
Yeah, we could just go a little lower here.
No. You don't go no way.
Higher.
Oh, Father Lord. We need to call in reinforcements.
But the ears, what if I cut off his ears?
Use the corner.
I don't think it's that bad though. Then say, okay, you walk them through.
I
Right.
wanted to cry a little bit because
Right.
what happened was I didn't know what to do in the back hair, so everything just went to one level. But thank God his hair is long enough, so it kind of just hiding it up in the back
Okay,
there.
just patch it up a little bit.
Yeah.
I mean, you do a horrible job, but I mean, I find it cool. I'll give you a solid 3 out of 10.
I'll take it. What? A 3? I would give myself a 0, honestly. He hide it there a little bit, but once you lift this up, it's all
I can feel it.
It's all one level.
Alright, so this is the final product. I pleased with it. Everybody say it kind of messed up to the back. I actually pleased with it. But for a quarantine piece of content, it's not extreme enough, so we have to go even more extreme. Elise, you ready? You ready? You
No,
ready?
no.
Do it!
No.
Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it!
I can't see what I'm doing.
That's me there now, bro. That's me there now.
I can't see what I'm doing.
Ah! What I really doing with my life, dog? Ah! Dog! It's feeling so wet! It's feeling wet! I don't need no shampoo.
I need to
Dog,
clean
I
this.
saving real money. I rich now. Alright, time for the 360 view. You seen doggy on my vlog, right?
Oh, alright, bye.
You cool?
Easy. I don't know what.
You cool? He just freeze!
Yeah.
Oh dog, you cool?
Oh, no, I real cool.
Eh.
You find like Slim Shady, yo.
Yeah, yeah, can I explain shady? How you find I looking?
No, I don't know why, but I'm looking like a lesbian.
Oh, this is the new that one! Ooh, you had to do it too, no?
You're model.
Do him so, dog!
Nah.
Do him so!
Yeah.
And I do it! What are we really doing in real life, dog? This is what the quarantine doing to me! Woo! You're looking fresh there, boy. Are you ready? Are you ready? Where's this scene, mommy and daddy, boy? We have something to show you. 3, 2, 1. What me?
You next!
Nah. You looking like a sperm.
Are you with me now? Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? They felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around to see if you're with me now. Tell me, are you with me now?